Good morning, dear student. Today in class 6 geography, we will take up agriculture because in the previous class I had taught you up to minerals. Okay, and I had also asked you to learn this table, which minerals are found in which country. Okay, these are the minerals, the natural resources, over here the food crop and the cash crop. Now we go to agriculture. Only one third of the land area is fit for agriculture in South America. Only one third. What is one third? That is 33% of 100. Okay, 100 of that 33% is fit for agriculture because rest of the land is not so conducive because uh, dense forest is there in the Amazon region. Then the Andes mountain is there. Then desert is there. So because of that, those lands are not fit for agriculture. So only one third of the land area is fit for agriculture. Like Argentina, Uruguay, Brazil, Colombia, and Ecuador are the main agricultural countries. That is, these many countries they have got fertile land which can be used for agriculture. The remaining areas are unsuitable as they comprise forests like the rainforest of the Amazon basin, then plateaus, the high plateaus, the Brazilian high plateaus, the Guiana highland, then mountains, the Andes mountain, the desert, Atacama, which is the one of the driest desert in the world. Then, on a few large farms, modern agricultural techniques, equipments, and better variety of seeds and fertilizers are used. All these things already you have studied it during the Green Revolution, that how the agriculture production have increased because of modern means of technique, agricultural technique, and equipment, and better variety of seeds and fertilizers. Most often, the farms are small. Argentina is one of the world's largest producer and exporter of wheat. Okay, wheat is an important crop of Argentina. Then food crops, already studied, no? Food crop, cash crop. So food crops like wheat, maize, rice and potato are grown. Then cash crops like coffee, sugarcane, cotton, cocoa and banana are grown on plantation. Then sheep or cattle rearing, that is keeping of dairy farming, you can call it cattle rearing. The rich and extensive pastures, pasture means the fodder, the food of cattle like grass. So the rich and extensive pastures of the temperate and tropical grassland are important grounds for livestock rearing. Livestock means cattle, sheep, okay, like cow, buffalo, okay, livestock rearing. In Pampas, Llanos and Campos grassland, so these are different names of grasses. Pampas grass, Llanos grass and Campos grass. The original grasses have been replaced by the alfalfa variety of grass which is very nutritious and increases the fertility of the soil. So this is a new type of grass, okay, alfalfa, which is which is grown in South America, and this alfalfa variety of grass is very nutritious, very good for cattle, and also increases the fertility of the soil. So it has got two advantage. First is it is nutritious for the cattle, and second is it retains the fertility of the soil. Two advantage of alfalfa grass. Cattle rearing is an important economic activity which has developed into a major industry in South America. So cattle rearing is an important economic activity. Okay, and so it helps in the economic prosperity of the continent. Then cattle are reared mainly for what is the purpose? Why do they keep cattle? So cattle are reared mainly for beef, that is the cattle meat, and Argentina is one of the leading exporter of beef in the world. Okay, so Argentina is one of the leading country or leading exporter of beef in the world. Then sheep are reared mainly for wool and mutton. Okay, that is wool, that is during the winter we use woolen clothes. Okay, that we get from sheep, and the sheep meat is called mutton. So sheep are reared mainly for wool and mutton. Argentina is the fourth largest producer of wool in the world because plenty of sheep rearing is done in Argentina. So it is one of the fourth largest producer of wool in the world. Then sheep and goats are raised in semi-dry areas of Chile, Uruguay, Argentina, and the Patagonian desert. So these are the places where a sheep or goat is raised or kept in semi-dry area where not plenty of moisture is there. Okay, that is uh, less water is available. So semi-dry, not dry also, but not plenty of water also. Semi-dry areas of Chile, Uruguay, Argentina, and the Patagonian desert. Then we go to the okay. Now we go to the fishing. So the best fishing grounds are located in the western coastal areas. Okay, this side. This is the west side. Okay, western coastal. This is the east, and this is the west. So the best fishing grounds are located in the western coastal areas. The meeting place of the warm and cold ocean current off the coast of Peru has helped it to become a leading producer and exporter in the world. So any place where the warm and the cold current meet. Okay, there are two type of water current. One is warm current and one is cold current. So whenever these two type of current meet, that place is very good for fishing. So Aconovis are found here in large numbers. Then the Chilean coast is also a major fishing ground. It has large catches of fish such as mackerel, sole, and lobster. So these are different varieties of fish that is found in this area. The catches are packed at processing plants where before they are sent off to other countries. So first they catch the fish and then they are packed in the processing plants and they are exported to other countries. Peru and Chile benefits from the cold currents which brings in planktons, which in turn attracts the big fish which feed on it. Plankton is a creature, okay, small insect like animal which live in the water, and big fish they come to eat planktons. Okay, so in the cold currents near Peru and Chile, these planktons are found, which in turn attracts the big fish which feed on it. These larger fishes are sold to other countries. Then Suriname concentrates on shrimp farming. In Venezuela, for example, shrimp, sardines, and tuna are caught for commercial purpose, that is, they are sold or exported. Then they also have pearl fisheries of Margarita Island. Okay, pearl fish. Pearl is a stone, white colored stone. You must have heard about pearl. Okay, so they are found in the Margarita Island. Okay, so today we will discuss up to here, and you read the lesson and prepare well for the exam. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye.